and Lazarte. DX Leader sa Race sa Pilipina, CTP, ang pagkampani Commander Elmer Jan Dimaliwat. CTP ang pagkampani EXO Gerson Sinaon. First Platoon Leader Boys Principal Sareno. Second Platoon Leader Boys Zagul Abasada. CTP Bravo Company Commander Wilma Shane Santillo. CTP Bravo Company EXO Daniel Esakuan. First Platoon Leader First Angeline Belimonte. Second Platoon Leader Girls Princess Nicole Bonifacio. Mafia Company Commander Hanskay Kyle Alexis D. Maloy. Mafia Company EXO Kyle Lawrence Beatriz. First Platoon Leader Alvin Andapon. Second Platoon Leader Claire Jose. Entry number 28, Severino Arroyo High School, San Agustin, Iriga City.
Thank you very much.